Dr. Samita. Welcome to the Festival of Wellbeing 3rd edition, powered by Amul. And a big congratulations to you on winning 40 under 40.
Thank you.
So, how does it feel to win this accolade?
I think it feels wonderful. When you do all this work in the field, people don't really know about the kind of work you're doing. And it's just kind of like a pat on the back and only encouragement to do more and better work. It's also very, very motivating to meet other people who are in the same category and other winners, because it's only inspiring to see all the work that everyone else is doing. And that only kind of gives you more ideas to help and to promote wellness and healing across the globe and, of course, across our country.
Great. So, just as you said, well-being is not a very conventional option to choose for a career path. I just want to understand, how did you choose this? How did your journey start?
So actually, I'm an allopathic doctor, so I'm an eye surgeon, and a lot of the disease that we see in the eyes is actually related to inflammation. And one of the biggest factors for inflammation is stress. So one of the things we realize very early is that if you don't fix the stress part of the disease, you can't really change the disease. So instead of just focusing on medicine or surgery, if you teach people how to take care of their health through mental well-being, stress management, nutrition, meditation, and incorporating the idea of wellness into treating a patient as a patient or a human rather than just focusing on the disease, that can make a huge impact in your treatment and your results. So that's where my tryst with wellness has just started, and I hope that eventually this will inspire more allopathic doctors to focus on the human rather than the disease.
So, would you want to highlight one or two key milestones that you crossed in last 1 year that brought you here today?
So one of the key milestones I would say is that I am now getting my certification in lifestyle medicine from the American board. So that is a huge milestone for me because it teaches me the path officially and qualifies me to do what I had the vision for. And the other milestone I would say is being able to go into the Middle East and teach other women practitioners and doctors on how to treat their patients and how to empower themselves as women practitioners. So I have been teaching women from conflict zones such as Sudan, Palestine, Syria, to be more empowered as practitioners, and hopefully as a lifestyle medicine physician I will also be able to teach them to incorporate that angle into their practices in the near future.
That's really inspiring. Just last question. How does the future look like? Where do you see yourself in coming 1 year, 5 year?
So the future for me, definitely as an eye surgeon, I love surgery. It's my number one passion, so I would continue to operate. But the future for me is definitely to create a lifestyle medicine practice as well and get more allopathic doctors to accept and to collaborate with other branches, including naturopathy, Ayurveda, and other branches of medicine to treat patients as a whole. So that's the future, hopefully, for me and for everybody.
It was a pleasure speaking with you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.